How to add flip animation in Wix Studio. So in order to add a flip animation, what we can do is we can just select in here an image, a text, or a button. So let me head over and then select in here this heading. So once you have selected that heading, head over and click onto this open inspector icon that we can see on the upper right corner. From in there, what we can do is we can just expand in here this loop and then click onto this add under that. Now from in here, we can see this flip animation. So you can see a preview of how that will look like. So just head over and click on it and it will be applied into this particular element. And here's a preview of how that will look like once applied. It's actually stunning right there. Make sure to publish once you're done. So that's how you add flip animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.